Welcome to my YouTube channel, Elisa Nicholas Sekitende, aka Promoter Nick Elisha Uganda, basing in Masaka City, Uganda, to trend the whole world. Thank you, my lovely followers from Nigeria, Indonesia, United States of America, South Africa, Kenya, United Arab Emirates, Tanzania, and the whole world, for following me constantly. Ugandan artists had suffered a huge suffering following the hard lockdown that resulted from the COVID-19 pandemic since March 2020 until of recent, when the president freed the economy this January 2022. Artists are now busy preparing concerts that they are ready to perform again on stage to remake money and give their supporters fun. In Masaka City, our local artists here have partnered with giants of the Ugandan music industry to reach the gatherings. On the 2nd February, Masaka City's Ricky Yugi, Rini Becky, and Bentagi, the dinner dating it maker, are performing alongside John Black at Kiganga's Playground, Bukomansimbi. On 19th February 2022, Alan Hilson, Angel Malaika, and Menemo are joining Sir Matthias Walukaga in the Best of Mugerwa David Nsumba at Nachiyagarengo. Be blessed, comrades of the struggle. Please subscribe and wait for more updates and news here.